Hey Millennium Minders, I'm super excited to share with you in this video how you can earn between $100 and $1,250 in just 60 minutes of doing voiceover work. And I'm going to teach you how you can master this method even if you don't have an amazing voice, as not everybody has the perfect voice to do voiceovers, and there are also people doing this full time and earning well over 5 to 6 figures per month doing this strategy. And I'm also going to show you how you can turn this into a full-time home-based online business without doing any of the work yourself. And I've got an amazing bonus and or coupon for you at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around until then so you can understand how to implement this coupon, and also enjoy the video. So let's get straight into it. And the website that I'm going to show you guys today is called voices.com. So I'm going to quickly show you the rates before I tell you a little bit about this and show you how you can actually earn with this. The rates are as follows. So you can see the non-broadcast voice over talent rates. This is for non-broadcast voice over work for 0 to 5 minutes of work. With 750 equivalent word counts at 150 words per minute plus minus, you're looking at 100 or getting paid between $100 to $249 per project. 5 to 50 minutes, you're looking at $250 to $449 or $99 per project, and then all the way up to 60 plus minutes of work, you're looking at $1,250 plus, depending on the type of project you get. But obviously, the more you improve over time, the bigger the projects you're going to get, and the more money you're going to earn. But as I say, I'm going to show you how you can get really some of the top projects with the most professional voiceovers and getting other people to do this for you, that you seem really professional and that you get the best projects possible. So if I come over to the homepage of the website, you can see that some of the top companies in the world, such as Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, all use this website to hire people doing voiceovers, perhaps for their commercial videos, for their adverts, or for their shows, whatever it may be. And they're paying people a lot of money to do this. And as a business, you can also submit your own job posting and select your own voice actor. But if I come over to the jobs section, you can see there's a menu bar. If I come over to jobs and then hiring, I'm going to open that in a new tab. You can see a whole bunch of jobs that are available at the moment. So you can see here is a corporate brand video that is paying $250 to $499 for this project. Life at every turn, $100 to $249. Here's some bigger projects here. A tech video looking for international talent, so they were looking for English North American sort of accent, paying at $500 to $749 for this project, which is really good. So what you can do is you can click on the plus sign and you can reply to the job. You can reply with an audition or with a voiceover that you might do. But the trick that I want to show you to actually get into these jobs with a really professional voiceover is a website called Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com is a freelance marketplace where you can post gigs, you can post services such as digital marketing, writing and translation, for video and animation, music and audio, and you can pay people to perform tasks or services for you, such as voiceovers. So you'll see Fiverr.com has a massive search bar in the top left, and you just want to type in voiceover. Okay, so you can see there are a whole bunch of gigs of people posting voiceover gigs to do, or they will record voiceovers for you, and they will send you the audio file. So you can see here, I will do a pro Korean voiceover, I will do a French voiceover, I will do a British voiceover. Let's look for a North American one. Here, I will record a North American female voiceover at $5. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to come back to the payments page, because you want to obviously see the amount of words that you want to submit. So let's say the project is 750 words. Okay, so you want to come back to this gig and you want to type in 750 words, and you can see this gig is going to cost you $40 for this professional North American female to do a voiceover for you. So they will send you the PDF, so a script and the audio file of the file that they do for you. And once you've gotten this female or this actor to do a voiceover for you, you can come back to the hiring jobs and submit an audition for the North American voices. You can see most of these are English North American, which is what this female is a North American voiceover. And you can apply with her audition and hopefully get accepted into a whole bunch of these jobs. And since she is a professional, the voice is most likely going to be very professional, and the chances of you getting accepted into these jobs is very high. So if you work out the profit margin, you can see here, this is going to cost you $40. Well, actually, I want to show you that coupon quickly. So if I click on order now, make sure you've got a word count of 750 words. I'm going to go order now. And I've actually got a coupon for you that you can use on this checkout page. If I open this up here in text document, this coupon here, start Fiverr 20, is going to give you 20% off your order on Fiverr.com as of September this month. So if you're watching this video in the future and the coupon doesn't work, no, it probably expired. So you can see if I enter the promo code that I just showed you, start Fiverr 20, and apply it, I got $8 off my $40 voiceover price. So I got 20% off the $40, which is marked down to $34, which is really not bad. I mean, any bit to save a bit of money is really good. And then you can enter your card details, and it will take about, if I go to a gig, a day or two for her to send you your audio file that you can then submit on voices.com and get accepted into these different jobs and paid for doing these voiceovers. So all you have to do is you just have to write a simple little script to send to her. You can do a script, you can see here a corporate brand video, so you can go search online corporate brand video script ideas just to audition and reply to this job. And when you get accepted, you will then submit another script to this lady to do the actual job for you, where you can get paid $250 to $499. So let's say you earn the minimum of $250, okay? So let's go $250 minus the $34 that you spent. You're gonna earn $216 on this project in profit, and you're not even doing the work. You're getting a professional to do it for you, and you're still earning well over $200 just for this job. That's going to take 5 to 10 minutes to do, which is really fantastic. And I mean, if you get some of the bigger jobs, you're going to earn a lot more. So let's say you earn the maximum of $499. If I subtract the 34, you're earning $465 by completing this job, the corporate brand video one. And there are so many other jobs that you can also apply to and hopefully earn off. I mean, this page just scrolls down forever, full of voiceover jobs that you can complete and get people off Fiverr to do it for you. I mean, a lot of people are doing this strategy from home. Yes, it may cost a little bit of money to get started, but as you can see, this is not just a Mickey Mouse small website where you can earn $1 or $2. It is paying hundreds of dollars to do voiceovers. It is a full-on business that you can run from home, just doing voiceovers for companies all over the world. All you need is a simple mic. You can go and purchase a basic mic. I can actually recommend you one on Amazon, which is the mic that I'm using. So if I go to Amazon.com and I search BM800, which is the mic I'm using, you can see as a professional microphone, here's the golden microphone that I'm actually using at $33, which is not a lot at all. It will really give you a professional voiceover for your voice if you want to do the voiceovers yourself. But as I say, you can just hire people on Fiverr to do it for you. So this is my little strategy of running a full-on voiceover business from home and actually employing or hiring people on Fiverr.com to do it for you and really get the most professional scripts possible from Fiverr for you to submit on voices.com and earn the most money possible through these various hiring projects. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below what you think of this video. I definitely think voices.com is worth checking out. I really actually want to try this myself, as it really does pay well, but I'm busy with so many different business models at the moment. So for me to try and get involved in every single strategy that I explain in my videos, I just possibly won't find the time. But if I do get a chance, I'm definitely going to try hire a Fiverr gig and let you know how it goes. But if you haven't seen my previous video I made on my Google strategy on how you can make, or how I made $658 on Google, make sure to check out my previous video. But if you guys think this video was great, if you really want to try this strategy, comment down below if you need help with it, and I'll get back to you in the comments, or you can message me on Instagram at Froneman. But I really appreciate all of you subscribed, all of you watching my videos. The support really means a lot to me. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below so I can send you a notification every time I upload a video, which you'll most likely get tomorrow, on awesome strategies and business models on how you can make money online. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.